What's up, guys? Back in another video on Hatchet Outdoors, and today I'm going to be unboxing the mystery tackle box. Now, here we got the tackle box, and let's go ahead and get it open. Ooh, okay. So first off, we got this what's inside bass fishing thing. We got a bass one. I mean, they're all pretty much bass, not necessarily, but let's see what we got in here. So we got, first thing I'm gonna show is a Ozark Trail prop bait. It's a 3.5-inch topwater. Got a nice jig and stuff on the back. It's got a nice tail too that spins, and that's the first thing. Now our second thing is a Googan Blooper Googan Squad catch coat. It's a blooper popping bait. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Got the nice G symbol on the eye and pretty nice color. And next up is the hooks. We got some Mustad Ultra Lock soft plastic hooks. So put those right there. And then we've got a lifted jig. What's that? So yeah, blue and black one. Pretty nice. Yeah. Our last thing is super salty. Well, it's a big bite bait. It's Pro Series. 4 to 5 bite juice. Super slimy. It's really greasy feeling, salty type stuff. So, yeah. And then the last but not least, the sticker, which put on your computer or car or something. It's mystery tackle box sticker. And yeah, so that was what's in the box. And I'll be unboxing some more of these. Yeah, just got a new fishing pole, so we'll be doing some fishing videos, guys. So stay tuned for that, and make sure to like the video and subscribe. We literally just hit 20 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Now we gotta make another goal. We have 21 right now, so let's just make a 25 subscriber goal. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Should be right there. Give it a thumbs up. Click the bell to get notified when I post new videos on my channel. And yeah. So thanks, guys. I'll be trying these out in some videos and stuff, and fishing. We're about to stock our pond with some fish, and I'll headshot in the next video. Thanks for watching. Go down there and smash that subscribe button. Bye.